How can other people tap dance to work? What's the secret of that?
You find your passion. You find your passion. I was very, very lucky to find it, when I was 7 or 8 years old. And you're lucky in life when you find it. And you can't guarantee you're going to find it in your first job out. But I always tell college students that come out, I say, take the job that you would take if you were independently wealthy. You're going to do well at it. Look for the job that you would take if you didn't need a job. I mean, don't sleepwalk through life, and don't say it's all going to be great. I'll do this and I'll do that, and I'm just marking time to be older. I've told people that's like saving up sex for your old age. I mean, it just is not it is not a good idea. Yeah. You really want to be doing what you love doing, and don't give up before you find it. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1.